Mrs. Holloway loved her old parrot Jasper. He was a beautiful green bird with a sharp beak and a clever tongue. Jasper had lived with her for 20 years, learning countless words and songs. But after Mrs. Holloway's husband died, Jasper changed. At first, it was small things. Jasper began whispering late at night, long after the lights were off. Mrs. Holloway assumed he was mimicking television voices or neighbors. But one night, as she tucked herself in, Jasper called out in a perfect imitation of her husband's voice, "Good night, Margaret." Her blood ran cold. From that moment, Jasper became stranger. He spoke in voices no one had ever taught him. Old, broken tones, some weeping, some laughing, some furious. Visitors began to avoid the house, unsettled by the sudden bursts of unfamiliar voices from Jasper's cage. One stormy evening, Mrs. Holloway's neighbor June stayed for tea. As the wind howled outside, Jasper turned his head slowly toward June and whispered, "Why did you leave me in the water?" June dropped her cup, face pale as ash. It was the voice of her drowned brother. Panicked, Mrs. Holloway covered the cage, but Jasper's whispers only grew stronger, now echoing from every corner of the house. That night, the neighbors heard Mrs. Holloway screaming. By morning, the house was silent. Only Jasper remained, perched in his cage, softly repeating the voices of everyone who had ever died near that house, and many who hadn't.